Namaste student. Today's topic will be on postulate. So let's recapitulate what do you mean by postulate. A mathematical statement which is accepted as true without any proof. That means there is no proof. Okay. So here we have 5 postulates in our syllabus. Euclid has given 5 postulates. Let's see one by one. Okay. So the first one, what it says. A straight line can be drawn from any one point to any other point. What this means, if you take 2 points, okay, that means you can draw only one line. With these 2 points, only one line can be drawn. Remember, any 2 point you take here, then you can draw only one line, unique line you can draw with 2 given 2 points. With 2 given points, you can draw only one straight line. Okay. If we'll take 1 point, then there are infinite number of lines you can draw through 1 point. So it doesn't saying by this statement. Okay. So next we'll go for your second one. A terminated line can be produced. So what do you mean by terminating line? Terminated means line segment. Remember, nowadays we are using this term as line segment. So line segment, if we take our line segment, this is your line segment. Okay. A, B. This is your line segment. What they are saying, a line segment can be produced indefinitely. See up, you can extend this side. I will extend this side and will give you what? A line. That means line segment can be produced indefinitely in both ends. Okay. So now next one, a circle can be drawn with any center and any finite radius. That means you take any center here, take a finite radius and you can draw a circle. Take anywhere, take this is your center, take any radius, you can draw a circle. Remember that they are saying. Okay, finite. Now next one, what they are saying, all right angles are equal. That means this is a 90 degree, you take in this direction, this is also 90 degree, you take in this direction, whatever 90 degree you are getting, all are equal here. It's not limited to only 90 degree. It is a particular angle they are using here, but it is valid for each angles. Like if you take any 60 degree, so each 60 degree, whatever shape you are taking, like if you take this is your 60 degree, or in this way you are taking a 60 degree, whatever you will take, all are equal here. Okay, so using only one angle and mentioning for every angles. Okay. Now the last one, the fifth postulate, is very much important. We'll try to understand that one. So here say what this statement saying. So fifth postulate have another name called parallel postulate also. Okay. So let's try to understand what do you mean by this. If a straight line falling on 2 straight lines. Okay. First you take 2 straight line. You are taking a 2 straight line. Okay, take 2 straight line. Now what they are saying, if a straight line falling on 2 straight line, this is your L and this is your M, and another line which is falling on this line. Okay, here take it as T, makes interior angle on the same side. These are interior angle, A, B, C, D. These are interior angle. On the same side you can see A and B are on the same side, C and D are on the same side. Okay, taken together, if we'll take together, like if we'll take A and B, angle A or angle B, if we'll add, and angle C plus angle D if we'll add, taken together, less than, if it is if you'll add angle A and angle B, and if it is less than, and look at here, these two are obtuse angle. Have you seen? This look like obtuse angle. You can see this one is obtuse. You can see this one obtuse angle. That means they will, two obtuse angle if you add, you will never get less than 180. It always be greater than 180 degree. That means which one are less? These are acute angle. If you add acute angles, less than 90 degree. If you add 90 plus 90, 180 you are getting. That means if you add C and D, you will always get less than 180 degree. That's they are saying. So here, sorry, less than this one, and this is greater than. Okay, so we'll see here, angle C and D are less than 290 degree. See here, two right angle saying. Two right angle means what? 90 plus 90. So directly you can see here what they are saying, 180 degree. So here, then the two straight line, if produce. Now see, in which side they are less? This side. If you see this side angles, if you sum it and you are getting less than 180 degree, then what they are saying, if you extend this side, if you extend this one, this side infinitely, see here, in future somewhere they will meet. Okay, in future somewhere they will meet, but you can see in the opposite side will never meet. They will extend. See here, diverging, and this is converging. So once again, if a straight line falling on two straight line makes the interior angle on the same side taken together less than 290 degree, less than 290 degree, if produce, this one is less than 290 degree, if produce indefinitely meet on that side on which sum of the angle is less than two right angle. That means in this side they will meet. They didn't say anything about this one. That means you can see from the diagram they will never meet. They are diverging. Okay. So here we have equivalent version. That means new version. So new mathematicians are coming and they are giving a new version. The way you are getting a new version, update mobiles. Okay. Update software. So similarly you have new version of this one. Another way they are representing. So here the another name we have for this one, that is Playfair Axioms. So here we have Playfair Axioms. So what this means? So same thing but in different way they will explain here. So let's see what they are saying. For every line L, take any line. This is your line. Okay. Not necessarily straight, you take any line. Okay. Straight you have to take, it's not compulsory, you have to take horizontally here only. So you are taking a line, I'll give a name. And for every point P not lying on it, means you take any point P anywhere. You can take here, you can take here, anywhere you can take. So I'm taking here. Let's take. Okay. Remember, not lying on L. It should not be on L. Okay. There exists a unique line. That means there exists a unique line. There are so many lines. We have already discussed that through a point there are infinite number of lines. Okay. Through a point there are infinite number of lines. But what it's saying? A unique line. There are infinite number of lines. But look at here. Through P there is only unique line. You will get only a unique line which will be parallel to L. That means L will be parallel to M. Only one line you will get. But other line will get here. But they are not parallel. You can see there's so many lines. But only one line you will get. This one. M. Which is parallel to M.